Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to sign up and log into TikTok. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Before starting, I would like to tell you what TikTok is. It is a video sharing social networking service owned by a Chinese company named ByteDance. It is a social media platform which is used to make a variety of short form videos from genre like dance, comedy, and education, which normally has a duration from 3 seconds to 1 minute. Tap Open TikTok from the app list. After you reach the home screen of TikTok, tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right. Tap on Sign Up to sign up for an account. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a sign up button highlighted in red. Simply tap on it and choose how you want to create an account. You can create an account using your phone or email, continue creating your account with Facebook or with Google and even Twitter. Choose any one of them and simply tap on it. Now you'll need to enter your date of birth. Simply select your date of birth and tap on the next button. You can either choose to enter your phone number or your email address. If you choose to enter your phone number, then after choosing your phone number, tap on Send Code and you'll need to enter a verification code that is sent to your mobile number. For email, enter your email address and tap on the next button. For verification, drag the slider to fit the puzzle piece. Now, you'll need to create a password for your account. After you're done, tap on the next button. One more time, you'll need to drag the slider. Now on the next page, create a username for your TikTok account. You can select the username from the suggestions down below as well. If your username is available, then you'll see a green tick mark right beside your username. Tap on Sign Up if you are done. And that is it. That is how you can sign up for a new TikTok account. Now, let me show you how to log into TikTok. From the profile page, tap on the 3 dots on the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down and find the logout button. Simply tap on logout and the pop-up asks you to either save login info or not. If you don't want to save your login info, simply tap on Not Now. If you do, tap on Save. Now confirm login out by tapping on Logout from the pop-up. And just like that, you've logged out of TikTok. From the sign up page, you can see a login button located at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on Login and tap on the first option where you can use your phone number, your email, or your username to sign in. Now, enter a valid email that is associated with TikTok. After entering the email, go enter your password. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forgot Password right below and you can reset to a new password. After entering your email and your password, simply tap on the login button. And just like that, you will be logged into your TikTok account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.